Hi students, in this module we are going to discuss about the bijective function, many-to-one function and into function. Here I will show you some examples of relations. See, here we have two sets A and B. The elements present in A are 1, 2 and the elements present in B are 3, 4. So A is called as the domain, B is called as the codomain. The elements present in A are called as pre-images and the elements present in B are called as images. Now the image of 1 is 3, the image of 2 is 4. If such type of relation we find, that relation can be called as 1-1 relation. Now let us take another example. Here we have elements, set A has the elements 1, 2, 3, set B has the elements 4 and 5. Now look here. Here the elements 1, 2, 3 have only one image, that is 4. So this type of relation is called as many-to-one relation. This is 1-to-1, this is many-to-one. Now let us take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now one has image 3, one has image 4, 2 has image 5. Say this is set A and this is set B. Here one element has many images. That means one pre-image has many images. So this can be called as one-to-many relation. So in this, one element has more than one image. So this relation is called as one-to-many relation. Now let us take another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now look at this. Set A has elements 1, 2, 3. Set B has elements 4, 5, 6, 7. Here the element 1 has two images 4 and 5. The element 2 has two images 4 and 7. 3 has element 6. So here we find many elements are having many images. Many pre-images are having many images. We can take this also, 3 with 5. So this type of relation can be called as many-to-many relation. Now we have got 4 different types of relations. The relations can be written in these 4 different forms. But we cannot call all these relations with the name functions. We take this 1-1 relation and many-to-one relation as functions. So what is function? Function is a rule or operation which is making the association between the two different sets, set A and set B. Now we will discuss the different types of functions, that too particularly bijective function in this module. Suppose we take one function with a domain A, elements 1, 2, 3 and set B with elements 4, 5, 6. Now if we have the order pairs 1, 4, 2, 5 and 3, 6, here elements are taken as 1, 4, 2, 5 and 3, 6. Now what we understand is the elements which are present in set A are domain and all the elements are called as pre-images, and here the elements which are present in set B, they are making codomain. All these elements 4, 5, 6 are having the pre-images. So 4, 5, 6 is codomain as well as range. And what other thing we have noted is, here we have the relation F the element 1 is the pre-image and element 4 is the image. So we write f of 1. Here the meaning of f of 1 is the image of 1. What is image of 1? That is 4. Take f of 2. Image of 2, that is nothing but 5. The image of 3, that is f of 3, that is equal to 6. Now check all these values. F of 1 is equal to 4, f of 2 is equal to 5, f of 3 is equal to 6. Here f of 1, f of 2, f of 3 are distinct elements, not same elements. So all the values f of 1 is not equal to f of 2, f of 2 is not equal to f of 3, or f of 1 is not equal to f of 3. All the elements are different and their images are also different. Image, here it is 4, here it is 5, here it is 6. So this is the condition called as 1-1 function. A function is called as 1-1 function only if one pre-image is having only one image, and that too they are distinct elements. Distinct elements are having different images. So we get one condition. Suppose f of x, that means the image of x and image of y, they are equal, then what we can say? X and y are equal. That means if these two are not equal, x and y are not equal. So from this what we understand is distinct elements present in set A are having distinct images, and every element of A is having an image in B, and only one images. One pre-image is having only one image. So this condition is called as 1-1 function. This 1-1 function is also called as injective function. So 1-1 function's another name is injective function. Now let us go for the another condition, that is called as onto function. Now the same example can be taken. Look at the set B, that means codomain. Each element of B is having a pre-image. So pre-image of 4 is 1, pre-image of 5 is 2, pre-image of 6 is 3. Like that, each element of B is having pre-image. Moreover, we understood that here the codomain and range, they are equal, because here codomain is 4, 5, 6, set of 4, 5, 6, and range is also for set of 4, 5, 6. So when in a function codomain and range are equal, then we can call the relation with the name onto function. So here this is onto also. Already it is 1-1 function. 1-1 function's another name is injective, and it is onto. It is onto because each element of B is having one pre-image, and moreover the codomain and range are equal in this case. So onto function will be having codomain is equal to range. This onto function is also called as surjective. Remember, if a function is onto, it is surjective. If a function is 1-1, it is injective. If a function is both 1-1 and onto, then we can call this function with the name bijective function. So what is bijective function? A function which is 1-1 and onto. Next, here let us take one example. Here is one set A, here we have set B, here elements are 1, 2, 3, here the element is 4. Look here, all these pre-images are having only one single image, 4. Maybe let us take one more element, 5. Here the domain is 1, 2, 3, codomain is 4, 5, and range is only 4. Okay. Now f of 1 is equal to 4, f of 2 is equal to 4, f of 3 is also 4. From this what we have understood is all these pre-images are having only one image. So this type of function is called as many to one function. Within a function, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 is equal to f of x3 is equal to f of x4 and so on is equal to some other value, say some k, then we can call this function with the name many to one function. Okay. So now we have discussed what is the difference between a relation and a function, and what is one function, what is onto function, what is bijective function, and what is many to one function. Next, now we can take one example. Suppose this is set A, say this is set B. Here elements are 1, 2, 3. Here elements are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now look here. This is a function f. The function f is associating the elements from A to B. Okay. Now look here. Here f of 1 is equal to 4. Here f of 2, the image of 2 is 5. Here f of 3 is 6. Again you have to check what are the elements present in the domain. Here the elements present in domain are 1, 2, 3. The elements present in codomain are say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the elements 4, 5, 6, they only have the pre-images in set A. So that is range. Now compare codomain with range. The number of elements in codomain, they are total 6. The number of elements in range, that is equal to 3. That means 4, 5, 6, 3 numbers. 4, 5, 6, 3 numbers only. So here codomain and range are not equal. So such function is called as into function. Remember the condition for the into function is codomain should not be equal to the range. Clear? So in the onto function, codomain and range should be equal, and in into function, codomain and range should not be equal. So we will discuss the remaining types of functions in our next modules. Thank you.